Steve, we had it.
We got started.
That's right. Well, I want to start new books because we're starting all over, right? You can use your old books. You still have your old books?
I don't got it with me now.
I don't remember what that. Yeah, so we can always get them later. Here's what I said. Okay. What do you think about, oh, yeah, you can start recording? Okay. When I say school, what do you think about? School is.
Learning.
No, I mean, really. This is boring.
Yes.
Okay, boring.
Oh.
Okay, so it's boring. Boys are sometimes annoying. Oh, that's right, boys. Annoying and impolite, I think. Rude, aren't they?
They play too much.
Play too much. There you go. Okay. Impolite. That's boys. So, I think we learn in little pieces. We don't learn in 35 minutes or an hour and a half. We learn in little pieces. Like, the first thing you thought was, what did you say when you saw this? I got my own book. Well, see, I believe that you guys can do what this female did. Fortunata wrote the core of this book. All I did was I put a couple of pages in the front. Fernanda Fortunato wrote her notes. These are her notes. And a lot of this stuff is algebra. I think that's going to be exactly what you're doing. My goal is for you guys to teach other people what you learned in this place. And each day we're going to be putting together something similar to this book. If you guys like the idea. We're going to put our, it's pretty hard. Yeah.
Storm.
I know. That's why I got
Like
it for
we
you
got
guys.
another one outside, but it's better.
Okay,
This is
come
storm.
over here. Exercise. I think it's very important for people to do exercise when they are in a classroom. Because you need to have some time. Here, should I show how it works?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I got the really hard one because you can go like this, you can go like this, and like this, and if you do it enough, it will be really difficult. When you're doing exercises, there's usually a pulling up, and then there's another one, which is the opposite. Okay?
Now they got this.
So, sure. Now, for example, can I show that? Yeah. What's it say?
What it got you.
Okay, so whatever you guys did to get in here, it's not really going to help you. What we're going to do is something different. Okay? So, what got us here before is we had to sit for 90 minutes doing worksheets, right? I don't intend to do that. I think we need to do something like this. Something little, then something interesting, something new, and then something, little action, like that. We have, I want to set up the rules that we're going to follow. In fact, we're going to call them, personally, I don't like the word rules. I prefer a different word. Procedure. What is a procedure? Yeah, it's like step, step, step. The nice thing about steps is if you forget to do one, what do? You just go back and follow it, right? There's no rule to break. We're just going to do the steps. I want us to put in here, each one of us gets to choose a color that we want. You know, which color would you guys like? You like the pink? You want the pink? There you go. Okay. Do you have a choice? What color you got? The red. Great. Okay.
Give me that orange.
You like the orange? Wow.
Wait, no, give it.
You like the red? Okay. Great.
Like, you can zoom in this?
What's that?
You can zoom in?
Pardon?
Zoom in.
I prefer not to zoom in.
No, like, I just want to know how.
You like to do them. All right. You can try it.
I don't know how.
I think this will work.
I thought you like this. Wait.
Write your name.
Like this, yeah.
You can decide how you want to write your name. You can write it big, you can write it small. This will work on blue. Would you like to write your name? Okay, there you go. My idea is that we will only put something that's really important in here. And each of us is going to have our own book. See how this thing says Fortunato and McCrae? I'm going to have my name on top of your name.
That's a little book like you learn how to write. Oh.
It's going to be your notes. Okay? It's going to be your notes. And it's going to be me explaining why your notes are good. Your notes are useful. My goal is that you guys will make your own explanation of why.
These are our notes. Put notes.
This will be our, some people call it portfolio. This will be our final book. You can call it the final book. You guys are each writing a book. Now, for Nadine, you get to choose the title. I'm suggesting that yours is going to be Algebra for Nurses. Because that's what you want to be. This is going to be your book called Algebra for Nurses. Jameson
Write
might,
it on here.
if you want, you can choose the title later if you want. If you want to write it now, that's okay. Your choice. Jameson, I want you to put it something like Algebra for Coaches or Algebra for Basketball, whatever you want. I'm not sure what's going to be yours. If you've decided already what you want,
Algebra for money.
excellent. Why not? And so you can make money. I want you to put on yours just right now. I'm going to give you, each of you can start immediately with a page on the inside. What is the first page of any book? Tell me what the first page of a book looks like. Let me give you an example. What does it say on the first page after you open the cover? What's it say? What's it say when you open the first page? What's it say?
Let's prepare for the prep.
What's it say on the front?
Let's prepare for the prep.
So, basically, you're putting the title of your book here. So I want you in big letters. Put the title of your book. So I think yours is going to be Algebra for Money.
I love recording.
Now, I want to give you guys some alternatives. If you'd like to have, like another color or something. Nadine,
I love your
Let
smell.
me see them.
you'd like to have one of these?
Yay.
Yeah.
Watch out. I said, I love
Remember,
your smell. I was like,
Can you put this in the inside of yours? And you're going to put algebra for what? What's your book going to be called? You
For
don't know.
algebra for girls.
Coaches? Algebra for basketball?
algebra for girls. Algebra for my people.
Algebra for my people. Okay, but you can call it. You can call it that.
Algebra
cool
for
name.
my girls.
Yeah.
For my people.
Algebra for my people. Why
Yeah,
not?
Bitch.
Well,
You hear that?
Well, something that I'd like to, a procedure for us, could we all have respect for each other? Yeah, could we respect, a little bit of respect for each other, even if we don't like each
Yeah,
other?
Nadine.
We're going to say
God,
something
yeah.
nice.
Damn name, fuck nigga.
And you freaking Haitian.
Okay,
That's the
bitch, we don't gotta
thing.
like each other because you fucking Haitian.
Well, oh,
You just crazy.
well, see, the problem with that is it causes separation. And I'm really sad that someone would say something like that.
Say what?
All right, do I have to repeat?
Zo City, Zo City.
Something, something, something because you're Haitian. Really? Is that what, because that's what bullies say.
Let me see the silver.
Let me see that first one.
Yeah. Okay.
Something I do.
So I'm
Ronaldo, bro, damn.
saying,
The man
I
just
want
said,
to
bro.
continue. I'm just standing with you, okay? Someone threw stones at you, and I'm standing next to you saying, that doesn't apply.
Say hello to Kimmer,
We-
Jameson.
We do not accept.
Alright.
I mean, people will throw stones,
Y'all do. Everybody do something.
you know, we just let them bounce off, okay? I'm standing with you.
I record myself.
I'm sorry that was said in my classroom,
Alright.
but we're going to move on, okay? I'm going to remember it.
You're not gonna forget.
I'm not going to forget.